Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the very much important scheme, that is weather based crop insurance scheme. It is very much important. Why I am saying important? Because it is finance related scheme, it is insurance related scheme, so it is very much important for IBPS, AFO, NABARD and other banking examination. And those students who are preparing for state examination or for UPSC and other examination, for them also this scheme is very much important. Now I will describe one by one all the important points. Just listen it very carefully. If you are preparing for any examination like IBPS, AFO, BHU, NABARD, ICR or any other agriculture examination, you can join our Telegram channel. We are daily adding quiz. It is most important for the competitive examination. You can see we have completed 3800 questions and you can join it on this link @AgriLearner app. You will get link in the description also. Now come, let's continue the scheme. The question comes in our mind that what is the need for the weather-based crop insurance scheme? First need of the weather-based crop insurance scheme is to help farmer in the adverse weather conditions like rainfall, temperature, frost, humidity, etc. by giving them the financial help. Okay, this is the main aim of the scheme, to migrate the hardship of the insured farmer against likelihood of financial loss. Means due to climate, farmers are getting their financial loss. For that, helping for that, this scheme is launched. Mainly, there are three types of crop covered in the weather-based crop insurance scheme. First type of crops are the major food crops like cereals, millets and pulses. Another type of crop are the oilseed crop. And third type of the crop are the commercial and horticultural crops. These three types of the crops are covered under the weather-based crop insurance scheme. Now we will check what types of the farmer are covered under this scheme. Now understand, this is one of the most important slide for weather-based crop insurance scheme. We will know which type of the farmers are covered under this scheme. Okay, first type of the farmer are sharecroppers. Okay, those who share the crops with the landowners, they are also eligible for weather-based crop insurance scheme. Second type of farmers are the tenant farmers. Tenant farmers who take the lease from the landowner. Okay, these type of the farmers are also eligible for the weather-based crop insurance scheme. Now third type of the farmer, non-loany farmer. Non-loany farmer who have to submit their document, they are also eligible in this insurance scheme. Okay, all the loany farmer who have taken the loan from the for agriculture operation from any financial institutes and any other institutes, they are also eligible for this scheme. And this scheme is operational for the non-loany farmer. They can choose between weather-based crop insurance scheme or Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Now understand this point very much carefully. Means any farmer who is going to take the insurance scheme, they can't take the benefit of two insurance scheme. They have to take benefit, either have to weather-based crop insurance scheme or for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. They can't take benefit of two schemes. This is very much important. Okay, now I will make everything very much clear. Now understand, all farmers including sharecroppers and tenant farmers going to be notified the crop in the notified area. Means all farmers or like sharecroppers and tenant farmers are eligible. However, farmers should have the insurable interest in the insurable crop. Means all crops are not covered under weather based crop insurance scheme, so farmer have to check that crop is insured under this scheme or not. The non-loany farmers have to required to submit the necessary document to prove the land record, to prove the evidence of the land. Okay, all the farmer availing the seasonal agriculture operational loans from the financial institute, that is called as loany farmer. Means those who have taken the loan from any financial institute, they are compulsory to be get admit in any insurance scheme. Okay, now last point, the scheme is operational for non-loany farmer also. Now what type of the question they can ask from this slide? Okay, first question they can ask, whether based crop insurance scheme is eligible, non-loany farmer is eligible for this scheme or not. Yes, it is eligible. Tenant farmer is eligible for this crop or for this insurance scheme or not. Yes, it is eligible. Sharecroppers are eligible for weather based crop insurance scheme or not. Yes, they are also eligible. Okay, non-loany farmers are also eligible. So keep in the mind all these points. Now we will know all the important parameters of weather based crop insurance scheme. There are four different type of parameters in which farmers can get benefit of weather based crop insurance scheme. First parameter is rainfall. If in excess rainfall or less rainfall or in unseasonal rainfall or due to the dry spell or dry days, in these condition of rainfall, farmer will get benefit of weather based crop insurance scheme. With relative humidity, with humidity can be increased or decreased, by that if farmer will get crop loss, any type of economic loss, then farmer will get benefit of weather based crop insurance scheme. If in the high temperature or low temperature crop will get damaged, then also farmer is going to get the benefit of this scheme. With wind speed also, if wind speed will be more and crop got damaged and farmer has the economic loss, then also farmer is going to get the benefit. Or combination of any of the above, rainfall plus humidity plus temperature rise, or wind speed plus temperature rise, or any combination of both, okay, farmers is going to get the benefit. There are two special cases like hailstorm and cloud burst. In this case, farmers will get add-on. Okay. Now come to the risk period. What is the insurance period of weather-based crop insurance scheme? Now understand the risk period of the crop. Okay, from sowing to maturity is the risk period of the crop under weather-based crop insurance scheme. Or also it depends upon the SLCCI, State Level Coordination Committee on Crop Insurance. They will decide what will be the weather parameter, what will be the crop parameter. They will choose the risk period, and according to that also every state have their own risk period of the crop. Now understand this point. Risk period depending upon the duration of the crop and weather parameters chosen could be vary with the individual crop, and reference unit area would be notified by SLCCI. It can be chosen according to the SLCCI. SLCCI is the State Level Coordination Committee on Crop Insurance. Now understand what type of the question they can ask. They can twist the question and they can just ask that what is the risk period for the weather based crop insurance scheme. They will give the option sowing period to the maturity period or parameter chosen by the SLCCI. Then the correct answer will be the parameter chosen by the SLCCI. It is the state coordination committee, and in every state there will be the one office of this. Okay, now understand what is the premium rate, most important point. Before understanding the premium rates, you need to understand two important points. First important point is actuarial rate. Second important point is SI. What is actuarial rate? The actuarial rate is an estimate of expected value of the future losses of an insurance company. What is sum assured? SI. SI is the sum insured, is the amount that the insurance company pay to the policy holder in the case of an unpredictable event. Now understand. Farmer can pay the amount according to the SI or actuarial rate, whatever will be the less. For the Kharif season, food and oilseed crops, farmers have to pay 2%. For the Rabi season, for the food and oilseed crop, farmer have to pay 1.5%. And for the Rabi crop, annual commercial or annual horticultural crop, they have to pay 5% of the SI or actuarial rate, whatever will be the less. Now in the next slide we will understand what type of the insurance company can participate in weather based crop insurance scheme. Now which type of companies are participating in weather based crop insurance scheme? Okay, those company who have permission with Department of Agriculture and Cooperation and Farmer Welfare, or by the Government of India, or selected by the state government or by the union government, are allowed to participate in this weather based crop insurance scheme. Okay, they can be the public sector company, they can be the private sector company, they can be the general insurance company, but they have to take the permission with Agriculture Welfare Ministry and Government of India, or by the state or union territory government. Now one question mostly asked in the examination: which insurance company is allowed for the weather based crop insurance scheme? They will give the option. I am giving literally, like Bajaj Insurance Company, LIC, or Reliance Insurance, or in the last option there will be the permitted by the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation and Farmer Welfare. Then it will be the last option, permitted by the Department of Agriculture, because no insurance company can do directly insurance of the farmer without without taking the permission. Okay, now last slide is most important, just see it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. You can download this whole PPT from our Telegram channel at the @AgriLearner app. Okay, you can also join our WhatsApp group at 6201733962. Thank you so much.